Hello.
Hi, I'm Channelle, and I'm going to do some cooking today. Potato and leek soup with homemade bread. Time is ticking on, so I'm just gonna start. Also, don't try this recipe until you see the end of the video because I don't know if it's gonna turn out good or not. So yeah, just check the end, check like it's not horrible before you just start following the recipe. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Flat French bread rolls. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. One, two. Oh my god. Splashed oil on myself. Good job, Channelle. Yep. The spoon is not very strong. Lovely. So much leek. Yes, it's very interesting. Oh, is that so? Away with ye. Small growths. Next one. No! Ah! She's killing me! Ah! These are terrible jokes for from a vegan. The most boring parts of cooking. Peeling things. So many potatoes. There's only 4. So much potato. Come on. Ooh. Hey, focus. Focus on me. Yes, me. So much. Ready? Oh, Channelle. Oh my gosh. That's not even. margarine. Too much. There we go. Pretty good. Cooking up a storm. Looks terrible. Well, hopefully it won't taste terrible. Alright, Hans, give it a sample. Okay, thank you. Can you give it a sample for us? Here's my one. There's your Hans's. Oh! I forgot to add pepper. How was it? Average? Do you need to add some more salt and pepper? Okay, that's cool then. Alright, so we've had a review from Johannes Ott here, who's saying it doesn't need more salt and pepper, it isn't average. Thank you, Johannes. Okay. Okay, so here's the taste test. Bread looks alright. I forgot to add salt and pepper, so maybe I might run away and get some of that soon. It's probably very hot. It's nice, but it needs salt and pepper, I think. Yep, thanks for watching. I'm Channelle. Pardon me. Are you alright there, sir? Yeah, just got something in my mouth.